Okay, well it's time for some reassembly for the spindle. So we've had a close inspection of these the spindle bearings, and they look alright, so I'm going to put it together and we'll just see how they go. They feel alright when you sit them in, so nothing like their motor bearings. We'll give them a go. So all we do is we just put give everything a really good clean down, the brake cleaner and the airline. So we just get a little bit of grease and finger, high temperature grease. Just a little bit on each bearing. So I drop the first race in. Sit that there for now. So I've just got a little dolly here out of aluminium just to tap the race in. Okay, he's in. Just a little wee bit more grease inside, so it doesn't need a great deal. Make sure we put our shaft in the right way around, which is that way. Just nip this up for now. There we have our other race. A little bit of fat on that. Tap that one in with the screwdriver. I must have that other race there pushed in a bit too far. That's it. Didn't want to go in there, it doesn't want to stay in. Okay, so then we have our washers. Just a very light smear of grease on them. So the plain washer goes in first, then the wave washer, I think that's how it went, and our end cap. Feels nice. We'll just give these nuts a bit of a nip up. There's no play in that, there's no loose end float in that, but if I push on the shaft, you see that the wave washer is holding the tension in on the bearing, so that's good. Right, now we'll put our wood rough key in. A pulley, actually before we put that in, we nearly forgot, didn't we? We have this shield, the dust shield. So what I think we'll do, because one was missing, if you remember, off this end here, I think I'll machine up another one to match this one. So we'll find a piece of material and we'll just machine up a new shield. Okay, we're back. Well, we made up our new shield, just a replica of the old one. So, where were we? The shield goes on. We have our keyway, wood rough key, a pulley. If it makes any difference which way around this goes. And our pulley nut. Okay, I'll just put a double nut on the side of the shaft just to get a bit of a nip down on that pulley nut. Just so we can hold the shaft from turning. That's it, doesn't need much. Okay, then our new shield pops on there. And we have our wheel flange, spacer, leave the flanges off for now because I might make new ones yet. Okay. So all we have to do now is find my screwdriver. We'll align this oil port and put a couple of drops of machine oil in. If I can find my oil can. Back in action. The old oil can was hiding in the other shed. We'll just give a couple of little drops of light machine oil in there. The screw plug back in. Okay, now find a drive belt, a couple here, an old leather one here. I'll have a look, see how that goes. And we've got this rubber one. I think that leather one fits a bit better. Too long, that one. It's the rubber one then. Even that's a bit too long too. Okay, we'll shift the spindle across and we'll use the other speed. With this leather one, see if it fits. That's it. I think I could line them pulleys up a wee bit better. We're not far off, and just tap it over a little bit. Okay. I don't know how this belt's going to go. I think it's walking all over the shop. Try the rubber one. Oh, that's a lot better. Okay, we'll switch her on and see how she goes. Well, we finally got the belt to stay on, but we just had to do an adjustment with the motor this way. But this belt's the wrong belt. It's a bit too long, and like a 35-year-old belt just ain't going to cut it. So we'll have to go and track down a new drive belt. This is all a bit like the oil's soaked into it or nothing. And the leather one, well, that didn't last. That's a homemade thing out of someone's belt by the look of it. So we'll have to track down another belt and worry about it then. So, in the interim, I do have the ID spindle here, so I'll do that myself off camera, because it's the same as the OD spindle. It's just a pull apart and clean. It feels quite good, this, but so I'll just give it a bit of an inspection. And when I get a drive belt, we'll put this on the lathe. I'll have to make a new mounting bracket, and we'll give it a bit of a trial run. So we'll put this one to bed till we get the belt. Well, didn't like that.